Omelets and scrambled eggs. How long can I store them? Is it a good idea to make a lot of them and keep them in the refrigerator? I like them for breakfast, but I don't like cooking every morning. For how long I can keep them?
What Tim said. Eggs just don't hold very well, and they are very sensitive to temperature. Reheating them basically will mean recooking them. I would never store eggs in this manner, because the texture and flavor degradation will make them unpleasant to eat. However, to actually answer your question, and again, I urge you not to do this because stored and reheated eggs will taste like garbage, cooked eggs should keep for up to 72 hours in the refrigerator. Remember to chill them as rapidly as possible after cooking, and you may wish to undercook slightly in order to minimize problems when reheating. I would use 72 hours as an absolute maximum, particularly if you are undercooking. 48 hours is probably wiser. So I was thinking about this, and realized that there are plenty of egg dishes that work well out of the refrigerator, but the thing is, you don't reheat them, you serve them at room temperature. Quiche frittata pizza rustica tortilla, the Spanish dish, not the South American item of the same name. I mean, it's not going to be the exact same as making it fresh and serving it warm, but the problem is in reheating eggs when you tend to overcook it. I once turned a pizza rustica into a nasty puddle of water when I tried reheating it, so, my thought on the matter is you could probably pull it off, just don't heat it. You might be able to microwave it on really low heat to just take the chill off, but don't try to get it hot. You'd have to try it yourself to see if it's an acceptable taste, texture, temperature for your palate. You might also consider either serving it with something else warmed through to let some of the heat transfer, e.g., place it on a freshly toasted bagel or English muffin.